Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on AI Chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search for this application. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.